But yeah, that's the bike, man, and I'm the motherfucker.
I feel like a baller in this thing.
It's about to get sick out here, man.
YZ450. I do a ton of tires here. It's like the one thing that I can definitely count on doing every day that I wake up is tires. This gentleman just brought me this shredded tire on this 450. I had it in stock. We're gonna throw it on. It's gonna be great. He's gonna love it. And I think that there's a couple of dudes meeting up over here today and they're gonna go hit the streets or whatever they like to do. So we'll get this tire changed for him. Again, brand new Dunlop GPR 300. We love them. You probably will too. Tube tire change here at Misguided. We bang them out faster than you can say biker boys.
It's been great, man. I brought it back just for a little checkup and whatnot, and, you know, rode with them last night. But yeah, that's the bike, man, and I'm the mother. Okay, so I bought this little trainer here to prepare myself for this. So I got a lot of grass, so I'm gonna get foot brake and balance point with this little 110 on my grass, and then I'm gonna put some seat time, some real seat time into that one. I can bring it up, okay, but I can't sustain it. You know, I bring it up, let it down, bring it up, let it down. But I wanna find balance point, and so this is my little trainer here, and I came to pick this up this week and brought this one there and rode with them last night. Brian 636, lean back, Luke was there, and a whole bunch of guys, man. I met a whole bunch of guys. YZ350, Chris, you know.
It was fun? You had fun out there?
Oh, hell yeah, every time, man. More seat time. Yeah. I'm about to get sick out here, man. All right,
hell yeah, man, I seen you, man.
Oh, yeah,
I seen
man.
that
Swab
bike
Brain.
too.
That's Swab Brain on Instagram, and I got this hit that's coming out called I'm So Fly.
Okay.
So follow me on Instagram and be supportive. I'm so fly. You're so fly. I'm so fly.
Hell yeah.
All right.
gsxr 750. Guy just bought this bike off Craigslist. He said he was on his way home and the clutch cable snapped. Luckily, I have one, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this in for him because he says he wants to have the bike this week because he just got it. I get it, but you can't have it yet because you can't ride it. So we're gonna pull this side plastic off to get his cable out, and then we can get our little wrenches in there. We'll throw a new cable in, quick oil change, and he's out. Going up. So we went ahead and got the new cable in. Oil is drained. It's all put back together. I'm gonna fill it up with oil and then go test ride it. Make sure everything does what it's supposed to. Fresh oil. You want to give her a good start, make sure everything sounds good. We're gonna get this thing off the lift. It's all buttoned up and we'll get the next one back here. If you ever need a windbreaker on the fly when you're out riding, stop in, talk to me. I got them all the colors, all the sizes, 2 different designs, along with everything else, all your gloves, hats, hoodies, shirts, whatever you need. I got it all at the store. We ship every other day. 2X. Fresh tube. Come on. Anytime you're doing a tube, you want to start at the rim lock. It popped for a reason. He might have spun it, but we're gonna do a real good visual inspection. And then also what I'll do is I'll feel around on the inside and make sure his rim band's there, which it is. This is your rim band. You're gonna keep your tube off the tops of your spokes. So you wanna make sure that's all covered up. Everything's looking pretty good. I'll give it a feel on the inside too. Things are looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and slide a new tube on in this guy and get him out of here so he can go ride. Too easy. Our good friend, you've seen him before. He bought an F4. I had a bunch of parts from us. He's out cruising around with the boys today, and he came back to the shop saying, hey, I think I want a bigger sprocket. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a 37 on. Stock, these are 34, so we're going up a little bit. It's gonna be a big difference for such a small setup, but it looks like Colin is already balls to the wall on this thing. We just finished this chain and sprocket install on this OG Grom for my main man, Kyle. He wanted something to help him get this thing up a little easier, so hopefully this will help him out. We're gonna get it outside and he's gonna go downtown. We got a group of guys that are looking to go ride, so I think they're all waiting on him, or me. Get in! Oh, look at this thing. It's sick. Park. I feel like a baller in this thing.